In this video, we'll show you how to replace your front sway bar link on your Subaru Impreza. This is located in the front of the vehicle and part of the suspension. Let's get started. I'll be using a little penetrating oil on the hardware. We can remove our lower hardware with a 12mm. Now we can remove our upper hardware using a 14mm. With both of those loose, we can remove our hardware. We use a punch and a hammer to remove the lower bolt. And there we have it. Before installing our new sway bar link, we're going to clean the housing. Just use a little brake cleaner. We'll clean this up using a wire brush. Now we can install our new sway bar link. We'll get both our bolts in before starting the nuts on. We can go ahead and start our hardware on. Don't forget about the washer for the top. Go ahead and snug those down. We're going to torque our 14mm bolt to 21 foot-pounds. The lower bolt gets torqued to 18 foot-pounds. Take your vehicle for a road test. If it's not making any strange sounds, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.